In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the stack stitch, which is basically a puff set on top an inverted V. So we start by working two trebles together over the first and the third of the next three stitches. So yarn over, insert hook into the first stitch and draw up a loop, and yarn over, come through two. Yarn over, insert hook into the third of the next three, and take off two. Yarn over through all three, and then we're going to chain three and come around this post to do a 5 half treble puff. So yarn over around the post and come out tall. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then yarn over and through everything and chain 1 to hold that together. So I'll show you again. Yarn over, in and out of the next stitch, draw up a loop and take off 2. Yarn over, skip 1, use the third stitch, draw up a loop, take off 2. Then take off all 3, chain 3, and work a puff around the post, essentially backwards into the gap you made. In and out tall, yarn over, in and out, 3, 4, 5, yarn over through everything and chain 1 to secure. So those are your little stack stitches, which make a nice texture. Those are your K-stitches and your stack stitches, which combine well together. They're sort of part of the same family. So I'm making a shawl using a beautiful whirl by Sheepies. I call it Sheepies because why not? It's very easy to say it that way, and it's nice. And I haven't created a name for it yet. I haven't even got to the next colour change, but I'm very excited to do that. So look forward to seeing how you get on with yours once the time comes. Good luck. Take care. Bye.